Oh, say hello, Philippines!
Hello, Charlie! Hello, Yushu! Hello, Jen! Hello, Hilda! Hello kami, Jay, Eunice! Hello, Daddy!
Hello, Eric!
Hello, Shots!
Hello, shots! We're here.
Pinapanood ni Yushu eh. Pagka niya, maganda. Pinapapanood. Dito, pakita mo yung river. Parang totoo sa ganyan.
See?
Oh, dito ka mo nang galing, Lucio.
125
Ito yung mga
meters.
bato-bato yun, just like
That's the elevation?
the story of Uncle
High?
Haiko.
125 meters.
125 to down,
Yes,
125
yes.
and 193. It's from the water,
Ocean?
from the ocean.
Yeah,
Ocean
sea
height.
level.
This
Yeah,
is
ocean level.
Yes.
This one?
190 is ocean level. 190 meters up,
So,
and 125.
the
up
river
to
is
the-
much higher
up
than
to
the
river.
ocean. Okay. That's why the flow is very strong. Yeah? The current.
Strong current.
Elevated pala yung ano.
Kaya ito ng bato.
Ito yan, yung peak. See?
Ito yung pinakamalalim.
Water, the
Malalim.
deepest and narrowest.
Deepest and
Section.
narrowest section dito. Pinakamalalim.
Mm-mm. Kaya maraming lumulubog dito.
Pero ngayon, ang ganda na, no?